Hello everyone, this is Avi, and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here, and don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese steel market saw a pretty remarkable rebound. Both rebar and hot-rolled futures climbed to their highest in over a month. Definitely a shift that caught the steel market's attention. Now, what's driving this sudden surge? Let's break it down. On July 1st, China's top economic decision makers held a key meeting, basically setting the tone for where policy might be headed. The message was loud and clear. The government wants to crack down on disorderly, low-priced competition, and at the same time, they're encouraging companies to improve quality and start giving up those outdated production facilities. Naturally, that set off some alarms. Participants started wondering, is this the start of another reform of the supply side? Are we seeing a repeat of what happened back in 2015? That year's reforms had a huge impact on the steel industry, and now, with some mills in Tangshan getting hit with new environmental production restrictions, well, it's no surprise the futures market reacted quickly. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent steel demand went up by more than 54,000 tons, while total inventory went down by 1,000 tons. Production went up a lot. So supply and demand are still in delicate balance. Seasonal demand is softening, which aligns with anticipations for this time of the year. But inventory levels remain low and raw material prices also started to rebound. The combination of low stock and rising costs is definitely helping the steel prices. So where do we go from here? The current macro environment and industrial structure are very different from 2015. Without concrete policy announcements, talk of capacity cuts may just be market speculation. We'll be closely watching whether this price rally drives real demand and whether China government meeting at the end of July delivers more positive signals. In the short term, we expect the Chinese steel market show fluctuations with relatively strong performance. Well, what's your take on the steel market? If you enjoy the video, don't forget to, subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye-bye.